Hello students, so today we are touching a section, writing section, and in the writing section, our first topic is message writing. Now what do you mean by message writing? Message writing is an informal way of communication. Alright, so it is not a formal way of communication, it is an informal way of communication when you pass a message to your known people, not as an official. Alright, now what do you mean by message writing and how do you write it? So first understand the concept that you have to study or you have to write a message in the exam. So there are three people involved in that, A, B and C. A called B to talk to C. A wanted to talk to C. So B picked up the call. Alright, A wanted to talk to C and B picked up the call. C was not at home. So A gave a message to B on the call. Now what happened was B has to leave somewhere. So what does B do? B took a piece of a paper and wrote a message for the C so that whenever C comes home can read the message. So there are three people involved. One is A who's giving the message. To whom the message should be given is C and B is taking the message and writing the message. So here you will act as a B person. You have to write a message. Alright. Now what points do you have to keep in mind while writing a message? Since message is an informal way of communication, what you have to do is you have to write a message in about 50 words only. In about 50 words only. Second, box is very important. Message should always be in the box. There are marks cut if you don't make a box in the message writing. Alright? Do not add extra information. Do not add extra information in the message. Alright, you're not supposed to add any extra information in the message. Whatever the conversation happened, you're only supposed to write that information only in your own words. Alright, grammar should be correct. Grammar should be accurate. So, your grammatical mistakes would be counted, which is very important because writing section is a part of your grammar. So the grammar should be accurate, should be correct. Alright, not more than 50 words. It should always be in the box. Do not add any extra information. Only give a complete information what is provided in the conversation. Do not create any misunderstanding and use any confused words for the reader. Alright, grammar should be accurate. That is the basic thing here. Okay, now let us study the format of a message. Now format carries at least 2 to 3 marks. If suppose the question is of 5 to 8 marks, then the format carries 2 to 3 marks. So you need to be accurate while making the format of the message. Now what is the format of the message? First you need to draw a box. Don't complete the box. Complete the box in the end so that whenever you write, you have the idea that where the box should be completed. So just draw the half of the box. Do not do the last line of the box. Next, the first part is on the top of the line in block letters. Not in the cursive writing, in block letters. You just have to write the message. It should be in the block letters. Next, coming upon the second line, write the date. What is the date? Date should not be in the block letters. Only the message should be in the block letters. So the format of the date should be like this. Suppose it should be 22 December 2020 or December 20, 2020. Alright? 22 December 2020. So this should be the format. Do not write, many students write 2020 this. This is totally wrong. Okay? Not even this is acceptable. This is also wrong. Either say 22 December 2020 or December 22, 2020. This is the correct format of writing a date. Alright? It carries a marks. Next come is your time. Time means whenever, at whatever point you're writing the message. Suppose if you're writing the message at 3:50 p.m., then 3:50 p.m. Okay? It should be your own. Salutation. Salutation means to whom you are writing the message. You could say your mother, your father, sister, brother, whatever, you can write here. Next is body of the message. Body of the message means the content or the information you are sharing to the reader. So this should be the body of the message, which should be of 50 words. That's it. Next is leaving a line. After that, leaving a line, name of the writer. Your name should be there, which will already be given in the question. So again, let us revise message in the bold. Next, date 22 December 2020, time 3:50 p.m. Leaving a line. Leave a line here. Then salutation, mother, father, mom, dad. You can write anything, whatever you want to write. Next is from here, body of the message, the content. And next, leaving a line after the message, name of the writer. And then you should complete your box. Okay, if your format is correct, you will get a complete marks for the format itself. Okay, let's solve the sample question regarding the message writing. Now there is a conversation given between Ambuj and Mr. Rastogi. Let's see. Ambuj, hello. Mr. Rastogi, hello. May I speak to Mrs. Dixit, please? I am Naresh Rastogi from her office. Ambuj, mom is not at home right now. Mr. Rastogi, please give her a message that the meeting fixed for tomorrow is cancelled. Ask her to check her mail urgently. Ambuj, I will as soon as she returns. Now Ambuj has to go somewhere. So what does you are Ambuj? Write a message in about 50 words to your mother. Now you need to write a message to your mother in about 50 words. Now we've seen the previous question. Let's write a message according to it. First of all, the first step is that we are making the half of the box. Since I don't have a ruler here, but you have to use the ruler here. Okay. Next, write a message here, a bold letter. Next comes is your date. Date, let's say 14 July 2020. Okay. Same line, 3:40 p.m. if you're writing, suppose you're writing the message on 3:40 p.m. then 3:40 p.m. Leaving a line, you have to write the message for your mom. So, mom. Okay? Now, how do you write? Mr. Rastogi made a call or called up. Anything you can write. Made a call to inform that meeting fixed for tomorrow has been cancelled. He wants you to check your mail urgently. Okay? Then what are you supposed to do it? You need to, leaving a line, write Ambuj, the name of the writer, and close the box. This should be the perfect format of writing a message. Here, nothing added information has been given, only the important and to the point information has been given. So you do not need to add any extra information, just add the information whatever given in the conversation. Okay? Alright.